Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use the Defi Gemini Stove. Begin by placing the stove on a stable counter and connecting gas per the manual, ensuring the gas valve is off. Check all fittings with soapy water for leaks. Plug in any electric ignition and test burners one at a time, adjusting flame height as needed for even cooking and safety. Turn a burner knob to ignite with the electric spark and watch the flame stabilize before placing a pan. Match flame size to pan diameter to avoid wasted heat and to prevent flames licking up the sides. For simmering, lower the flame until it barely maintains a steady bubble. For boiling, use high heat until rolling, then reduce slightly. Always turn knobs off when finished. Set the oven to the desired temperature and allow it to preheat fully before loading food for reliable results. Use the grill setting for crisp toppings, keeping the tray centered and monitoring closely to avoid burning. Rotate trays halfway through long cooks for even browning, and use an oven thermometer if you need precise temperatures. Clean spills promptly to prevent smoke and maintain efficiency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.